Today we have a new sound in our phonics. We already know the sound and the sound. So today our new sound is the sound. Put on your thinking caps. Can you think of anything that begins with the sound? Snake, sun, sandwich, soccer. What else? You have a think and let me know if you think of anything else that starts with the sound, or look around your house. So, the sound. Let's try my turn, your turn, okay? Ready? Well done. And now, this is a snake. Snake. Let's try it again. My turn, your turn, okay? Snake. 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 Yes, well done. Let's see. When we're going down the snake, drawing the letter, the sound, we say slither down the snake. Slither down the snake. Slither down the snake. Now you try. Slither down the snake. Slither down the snake. Well done. Now, that's how we write our sound, okay? So, let's try it over here. Ready? Slither down the snake. Yes, again. Slither down the snake. Well done. The sound is a stretchy sound, okay? Stretchy sound. Stretchy, stretchy. Good job. Now, we're going to do the card flip, okay? So, this is snake. Snake. You got it? You can try it with me. Ready? Snake. Snake. Now, I'm going to say nothing. Well done! You did a really good job. Now let's take your magic finger and you're going to write the sound with me, okay? Ready? Let's go. Well done, everyone. Now you've learned the sound. And I think our little friend Fred is very happy. He only speaks in sounds. So he knows and and s, just like you. Can you say your new sound to Fred? Do you understand that? Yeah? Are you really happy with their sounds? Yeah, me too. Okay, everyone, well done. Now you know that sound. Go now and look in your house for things that start with the sound, or any names, or animals, or food, or anything you can think of. Okay? Bye!